team, welcome to my brand new 15-minute full body bar HIIT workout. Today I'm bringing you 15 different exercises, and for each exercise in which we jump, I will offer you a low impact version so you can train in your fitness level. You don't need any equipment, just make sure you have a little bit of space around you. Make sure to do a warm up first, and when you've done that, let's start the timer, let's start to sweat. Meet me in a squat position with your feet shoulder width apart, and we're gonna go for 2 heel lifts and you come up and down. 2 heel lifts with the left and you come up and down. Make sure to keep your weight in your heels. Make sure to keep your spine long. If you want more, add a jump. Land softly. Here we go. Work to the beat. Enjoy the music. 1, 2, come up. 3, 4. 1, 2. Shoulders low, draw the navel in towards the spine. Jump high, team, come on. And if it's too much, then skip the jump. Keep moving. And quick break, shake it out. Team, in the second round, we're gonna switch the sides. So we're gonna go for 2 heel lifts on the right side. Ready? Let's start with the music. 1, 2, low impact, come high, come low. Squeeze your glutes as you come up. If you want more, add an explosive jump. Pull the shoulder blades together, don't round your upper back. Send your hips backwards, as if you want to sit on an imaginary chair. Keep going. The music makes you going. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep pushing. Relatively lift your heel. And rest. Shake it out. Next exercise, we're gonna tap to the side, and we start in a squat position, and we come higher as we tap to the side. Let's go. Tap. And come up slowly, squat, 4, 3, 2, 1, down, 4, 3, come up for 4, go down, 4, 3. If you want, let's jump. If you want more, add a star jump. Ha, okay, 4, 3, 2, star jump. You choose low impact or high impact. It's your workout. Ten more seconds left. Come on. Keep your knees above your ankles. Rest. Shake it out. Ooh, amazing, team. Meet me in a lunge position. We're gonna go for 2 back leg lifts and 1 lunge up and down. So we're gonna go up, up, down, up, down. Here we go. Strong glutes, strong lower back. Don't move your spine. If you want more, let's add a jump. Up, down, up, down. Keep your standing leg bent. Up, up, down, up, down. Shoulders are moving away from your ears. Draw the navel in towards the spine to protect your lower back. Find your balance. Woo! Rest. Shake it out. Ooh, thighs are burning. Let's switch to the other side. Make sure during the back leg lift that you don't open your hip. Ready? Let's go. With the music, up, up, down, up, down. Up, up. When you're ready, add the jump. Woo! Lift, lift, down, up, down. Gaze is going diagonally down to the floor, so your neck can stay in one extension to the rest of the spine. Come on, team. Let's boost the fat metabolism. Let's make the heart rate going. Make yourself out of breath. Last one. Shake it out. Good. Now we're gonna tap backwards for 3, and then we're gonna meet in the so-called passy position. Drop the leg and switch to the other side. Ready? Let's go. We have 3, 2, 1, switch. Start with the other leg. Passy, drop, switch. If you want, kick it out. 3, 2, lift the back knee. Good. 3, 2, 1, hop. If you want more, jump. Ha. Here we go. 3, 2, back knee up, kick. 3, back knee up, kick. Make sure your front knee stays above your heel. Protect your knee joints. Think about your posture. Stay upright. Woo! Rest. Check it out. Meet me in a curtsy lunge position for the next exercise. 3 pulses here. Open, push your knees to the side, and switch. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Open, switch. Other leg to the back. Keep your shoulders above your hips. Level 2, add a jump. Ha. 3, 2, open, switch side. Straighten your pelvis. Don't move into the hollow back. Good. Count with me. 3, 2, 1. Go with the flow. Go with the music. Move your arms as well if you want to. 3. Woo. Thighs are working. Quads are burning. Meet me in a second belly position. Open your feet more than shoulder width apart. Bend your legs, and we're gonna work for our arms. Your thumbs are looking up, and we're gonna circle. Shoulders low. Close your rib arches. Push your knees to the side. If you want more, look. 3, 2, 1, ha, ha. 3, 2, 1, ha, ha. It's just an option. You choose. Strong arms. Ha, ha. 3, 2, 1, up, down. 3, 2. If it's too much, stay here. Work for the shoulder muscles, the so-called deltoids. Okay? 3, 2, 1, up, down. Keep your neck long. Ha, ha. Ooh, rest. Next exercise, we're gonna shift our weight onto one leg, and we're gonna kick it out for 2. Keep your upper leg steady and calm. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Keep it going on one side. Good. Down. Lift. Hold your balance. Kick it out. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Both pelvic bones are facing to the front. So you extend your leg diagonally into the corner. Passy means you touch the inside of your knee with your big toe. Deep muscles are working. Deep core. Come on, 6 more seconds to go. Point your foot, bring tension in all 5 toes, and shake it out. We're gonna switch to the other side. So press your little toe into the ground. This will prevent your knees from falling inwards. Let's go. Kick, kick. Press your little toes into the ground and kick it out. Work in your individual external rotation. Kick into the corner, not to the side. It's not this. It's not a round kick, as we know it in boxing. It's ballet. Make it elegant. Come on. Full body's working here. Amazing. Don't skip. You can do it. Rest. Next team, we have little belly burpee. We start with the low impact version. Okay, we step out into the second belly position. So with 1, 2, hold it in the classic squat. Again, step out, step in, hold. When you got that jump, hold. Turn out, turn in, hold. If you want more, jump back into the plank like this. You choose, hold in a squat or jump back into the plank. Think about long spine. You go, team, go! Ha. Knee to the side, knees parallel. 10 more seconds, almost there. Woo. Rest and come down onto the mat. Great team, meet me on all fours. With your wrists under your shoulder joints, knees under your hip. Extend the right leg, knee into the back of the knee. Extend, switch to the other side. Let's go with the music. If you want more, meet me in the bear crawl position. Knees are just hovering just above the floor. Let's go. Don't move your spine. Push yourself out of your shoulder blades. Don't collapse towards the floor. Spread your fingers. Press your fingertips firmly into the floor. Almost there. 10 seconds. Come on. Elbows slightly bent. And drop. Let's come all the way down. Ooh. Bring your hands under your shoulders. Strong, strong core. We're gonna lift the upper body, legs, lower upper body with the music. Let's up, up, down, down, up. Elbows are close to your upper body. Please make sure the power gets out of your back muscles, not your arm muscles. If you want more, release the hands off the floor. Pull your shoulder blades together and into the lower back. Keep your abdominal muscles strong and tight to protect your lower spine. And breathe. Come on, one more. And rest. Meet me on the back for some abs. Okay, lower down. Extend the right arm. Bring your left fingertips onto behind your ear. So we're gonna tap to the heel. Extend your leg and tap to your toes. Here we go. Side and long but more long leg. Try to keep your shoulder blades lifted. Long neck. Make sure you have enough space under your chin, preferably a fist wide. Strong obliques, strong straight abdominal muscles. Almost there. Come on. Come a little bit higher with each repetition. Woo! Relax, take it out. We're gonna switch to the other side, okay? Keep the core active, draw the navel in towards the spine. Left arm is long, tap to your left heel. Right leg is getting long. Point your right foot. Bring tension in all 5 toes. Like a ballerina, go! I'm dripping in sweat. Almost there. Keep your butt cheeks on the floor. Come on, last 10 seconds, last exercise. This is your finisher. Keep going. Woo! Relax. Awesome team. Wow, dripping in sweat. All the muscles are burning. I hope yours too. Good, amazing team. Hope you enjoyed this full body sweat. If so, make sure to check out this video next.